Hello, welcome back to another video. So today I'm looking back at some past work and trying to make some changes and breathe some fresh life into an old piece. So here I have some watercolor paper that I'm laying down a background in some blues, sort of etching in the body here. Overall, I was sort of happy with the reference that I chose and sort of the pose that the model had, adding a space helmet as well because love all things space lately. I'm now using a dry brush sort of with the same colors to sort of accentuate where the pectorials and the bicep are going to be, and then I'm choosing some more cooler tones to put in the shadows. Here you can see I'm adding some of the warmer tones to the piece, sort of to accentuate where the highlights are going to go down later on. I'm not really happy with the colors that I've chosen here. I find them rather jarring and not really complementary. I was going for more of a multicolored sort of cosmic look, but even though it's in its early stages, I do sort of like the brushwork and the way that the body is taking shape. I'm just not happy with the colors. And as the painting continues, the dissatisfaction increases, adding more blues, oranges, peaches, and you can see here I'm spending more time on the body than on the face. The face I found really difficult, even with reference photos. I think it was paying so much attention to the model's face to get it absolutely correct, took away the enjoyment of the piece. And here I am sort of laying in the background a bit more because I just couldn't bring myself to really correct the details on the face there. Now the page is starting to warp a little bit due to the over addition of water. I'm not all too bothered with that there, and I think I've got the main parts to the painting down, but at this point I've pretty much given up and thought I'm gonna put this on the shelf to collect some dust. Fast forward to now, I have a new iPad and the app Procreate, and I wanted to play around with some digital art. So I decided to rework this old piece and make some drastic changes. So as you can see here, I'm adding some new colors in sort of more subdued, less vivid, and a little bit more complementary. They are still bright, but not as brighter as some of the previous colors added. I'm also able to change the texture of the brushes. There's only so much you can do with the resources that you have sometimes, and I find that using Procreate is a great way to save money and also decrease the amount of time it might take to work on something, and you don't have to wait for drying time and all those other logistics in art, which can be encumbersome. So I also decided to use Tom Selleck as the face for this reference. Now I decided to change the face completely, and I think the overall expression and emotion that is conveyed here is a lot stronger, and I think overall it just looks more resolved, this piece now. Further adding some more colors, some complementary colors. Procreate have a great way to be able to select a direct complementary color, so I really used that as well. And overall, the feeling that the final piece gives me now is I'm so much more proud of it, and I think it looks great, and I'm really keen to hear your feedback as well. So that is how I turned this into this. If you want to see more videos like this in the future, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe, because I'm really keen to make more art videos and get creative and share my journey. So thank you. Until next time.